Looking for a free open-source AI text-to-speech model that delivers natural, expressive voices and even supports zero-shot voice cloning? And only 0.6B in size. Listen to this.
Welcome to Audio8 TTS, a compact multilingual text-to-speech model.
Not only built-in voice sound realistic if you add reference audio and check its result, it's very much closer to reference audio.
Hey Claire, hope you are doing well. I wanted to wish you happy birthday, and sorry, not being truthful from the start, but hope you are doing well. Welcome to Audio8 TTS, a compact multilingual text-to-speech model.
Good thing this can run on both simple CPU and low VRAM graphic cards. I'll show you how to install and run Audio8 TTS completely on your own PC. We'll go through the installation step by step, download the required models, launch the interface, and generate high-quality speech in just a few minutes. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, AI voiceovers, audiobooks, podcasts, or AI applications, Audio8 TTS is an exciting new project worth checking out. So let's get started and install Audio8 TTS. Click on GitHub link in my description to visit Audio8 main page. You can read its documentation and other details you need to know. You can install this on both CPU or NVIDIA GPU. To install you need Python 3.10.11 FFmpeg, Visual Studio, Git for Windows, if GPU then CUDA Toolkit 11.8 to 12.8. I have made a playlist on installing these dependencies, you can check it. Once you're ready, click on Code option on main page and copy Git code. Now go to drive or folder you want to install this in and type cmd in folder path. A new command window will open. Type git clone and paste code you copied to clone Audio8. Type cd space and go to clone folder, copy its path and paste in command window. Hit enter. Now you are inside cloned folder. Create venv using Python 3.10. Activate venv with activation code. Now you need to install PyTorch if you got a graphic card. If not, then you don't need to install it. First check what CUDA toolkit you got installed. Now go to main page of PyTorch and copy code matching your CUDA version. If you don't see any matching code, just copy any code and paste in command window. Change CUDA version to yours and add Torch audio before installing. Once PyTorch installed, go to main folder, open requirements file. Remove Torch audio from list and add Gradio and spaces, then save this file. Now run requirements code to install requirements. Once requirements installed, run main code. Running main code first time will download models. When you see a local URL, copy and paste in any web browser. This will launch Audio8 TTS. To avoid running codes again in main folder, create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Now just double-click Run File and use Audio8 TTS. To use it, you can either use it as TTS, no need to add reference audio. Just type text and run. For voice cloning, add reference audio 5 to 10 seconds.
Hey Claire, hope you are doing well. I wanted to wish you happy birthday.
Click transcribe. This will auto-transcribe it. You can also choose number of tokens, temperature and other option, then click generate speech.
Welcome to Audio8 TTS, a compact multilingual text-to-speech model.
And that's it. You now have Audio8 TTS 0.6B running locally on your PC. As you can see, it offers high-quality multilingual text-to-speech, supports 11 languages, and even includes zero-shot voice cloning, all in a lightweight 0.6 billion parameter model. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials. I regularly cover the latest open-source AI tools, text-to-speech models, voice cloning, image generation, video AI, and much more. If you have any questions or run into any issues during installation, let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.